What's going on, everybody? It's Mr. Laundromat coming at you with another scouting video. Where we at? South Carolina. Y'all don't, come on now, y'all know. This is a laundromat channel. So we got to go around the laundromats to see what they're doing right, what they're doing wrong. How we can improve ours, what we can learn from theirs, and the information that we can get. So y'all see I got the Ray-Bans on because I don't like people all up in my business knowing I'm recording, but I'm gonna go from the GoPro to the Ray-Bans. But before we start, what we see, nice little lit location. We got the wash, dry, fold Wednesday through Saturday, 9 a.m. to 5. This is a 24-hour location. It's inside of a plaza. It's called the Coin Laundry, and it's air conditioned. They let us know that, so that's good. They got nice lights on outside. Wash, dry, fold service, This is the laundromat. So let's go on in here. Let's see some prices. Let's compare prices in South Carolina. That's where we at. We going around the country. I try to tell y'all what we doing. We building up laundromats around the world. And in order to understand laundromat business, we got to go to what? A freaking laundromat business. In order to understand if they make money, how they make money, how to produce them, how to make them better, you got to go inside of them. You got to visit them. You got to see what type of equipment they have. You got to see if any equipment broke, and you got to see where holes is in the industry. So stand by. I'm going in. I'll be back. Hey, how you doing? I'm all right. Okay, so we got the hips. I think these are single pounders. These are gonna be your 20 pounders for $225. $275 for normal wash. $250 for your perm, normal, delicate. So these are smaller machines. Reserved Wednesday through Sunday, so they're probably using these as they wash, dry, fold. They got a lot of dryers running right now, so they're probably doing a lot of wash, dry, fold. Yeah, that's what they do. They wash, dry, fold that back there. Reserved Wednesday to Sunday, 8 to 5. Reserve. So they reserving them. They got the same dryers we got at our location. These your 30-pound washer with your 3 loads. These your 20-pound washers, your 2 loads. We got the single stacks. These your 20-pounder loads right here, the smaller versions for $225. On my 20s, I'm charging about $4 at this point. See, they got the center at the 30-pounders, 3 loads. They got the 50-pounders, so they got 1, 2, 3, 4 50-pounders. They're charging $625 for a 50-pounder. So, see, they got 3 change machines just in case they run out. You might as well just take up the entire floor and just use the kind of repaint. They do got a decent amount of folding, got a decent amount of carts. Again, the only thing I see is, a little cosmetic work, rip up the floors, get those looking better. Yeah, definitely add some seating probably. Just make it a little bit more nicer, make it a little bit more cleaner. They got the games for the kids. See, they accept credit cards on their games. Yeah, they definitely do the wash, dry, fold back there. So they doing that, like they said, Wednesday through Sunday. Doing a little advertising, probably make a little bit more money in the location. Look at the parking. So, this place look like it can get pretty busy. Where everybody gonna park at? So, location, parking, clean store, well-lit store. So, some things they doing right. Store is well lit. It's telling you right now that it's a laundromat. It's got other businesses attached to it, so other people know it. Clearly, you can see the sign from the street. Coin Laundromat Express, right here in South Carolina. Hey, Coin Laundromat, if you ever see this, Laundromat Express, if you see this, hey, fix those floors. Make your bulkheads bigger so won't nobody see what's going on behind your machines. And keep your facility cleaner. You got it. Just solving some other problems and probably making you some more money. And maybe look to upgrade some machines in the future. Let's find another location. Let's check it out. Let's see what's going on. We scouting laundromats tonight, y'all. We scouting laundromats into the Decepticons Duramax. Come on, man. 20%. So we're going to have to switch to the other camera. But as y'all see, I got the big boy out tonight. Got it nice and clean. We out here riding. We going to laundromats in South Carolina area, seeing what's out there. This is how you test and see opportunity. Again, I told y'all, we're going to do it in the house. We're going to do it on the computer. But we also going to do it in the street and see how laundromats operate, how they move, and if they make money. Right now, the owner's not there, yet there's people spending money. That's the laundromat business. Stand by.